Who got the fuck? Who just got the fuck? I don't even know. Who just ran, y'all? Who just ran? Look at him.
Damn. Oh, shit. No.
Hey, why the fuck is he putting him in handcuffs? You don't have no reason to put this man in handcuffs, sir. I'm not close to you. I'm just saying. Back up. Don't get close enough. Back up. Just back up. All we saying is why y'all putting this man in handcuffs? He showed you he has nothing. What y'all want? Yeah, get me on camera, boy. I'm legal. Nigga, fuck is you talking about? I got me on camera, boy. He put this man in handcuffs with no reason. Hey, don't push him, y'all. Don't push them. He had no reason to put this man in handcuffs. Y'all, calm down, y'all. Relax. Illegally detained, enough. Oh, no, he said, look, calm down. Back up, calm down, y'all. He said he only detained a U.S. person in his name, bruh. Calm down, y'all. Everybody calm down, y'all.
Out they face. Get out they face, y'all. Get out they face.
Jack, back up, Jack.
Get out they face, man. Get out they face. This nigga acting like he about to fight. Yeah, mo. We make y'all brother good. I don't care about y'all rednecks. Y'all come from motherfucking Albuquerque coming down here. Y'all don't even care about the black community. Old ass, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh, they trying to shoot. Oh, they trying to shoot, man. Oh, my mother, they shoot.
He's walking with the fucking Mo, Jack, calm down. He's gonna take your ass to jail. Mo, what the fuck, him? Hey, y'all, don't leave Frank dog, y'all. Make sure they don't harm Frank dog. Make sure they do.